CTM Labeling System Semi-Automatic Tabletop Vial Labeler. The Tabletop Vial Labeler is designed to apply labels onto cylindrical products or vials. Products are loaded into the in-feed magazine and then are fed in a single file into the star wheel. This applicator is fitted with a product agitator to prevent the products from jamming. As the products are fed towards the star wheel, the escapement cylinder ensures only one product enters the star wheel at a time. The star wheel rotates the vials to the peel edge where the label is fed out onto the product. The product nip roller then spins the product to apply the label. The star wheel then continues to rotate and allows the labeled products to be collected or dispensed into an exit chute. Interested in learning more about the Tabletop Vial Labeler? Contact CTM Labeling Systems today.